Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing the 5th recipe of our 3-day juice cleanse. This is the last juice recipe before our nut milk recipe, which is our very last drink that we will be discussing in the next video. This juice, I must confess, is my least favorite, mostly because it's very earthy, but it is very nutritious, so I drink it anyways. So we are going to start with the carrots. We're going to be cutting them up. The recipe calls for 3 carrots. I will be doing about 9 carrots in order to suffice for the 3 days. Okay, here we go. Okay, so we're done cutting our carrots. Next up are our beets. You can keep part of the stalk in order to receive more nutrients. It asks for 2 per serving. I only have 4 today, but I'm gonna be adding an extra apple in order to make that juice. Make sure that after you finish juicing, you clean your juicer as fast as possible, because beets can stain it, or will stain it. So I also like to leave the skin on for the same reason that I leave a little bit of the stalk on. You have the choice to get rid of the skin. That can also take away a little bit of the earthy taste to it. I'm also going to put in the 3 lemons. You don't have to cut them, but I will. Also, I'm leaving the skins on these as well. You don't have to do it when you make your juice. Finally, I'm cutting the green apples. Alright guys, if you want, wear gloves. You don't want red hands like I do right now. So I am done with the chopping. Look how beautiful these colors are. And all of that is going to be going right into your tummy. I'll be back and then we can start juicing. Okay, my big container is back. Alright, let's start with the apples. Mix it all together. Okay. Let's look at this beautiful color that it created. Deep red with some orange. Okay. Be very careful with this since it does stain. That's why people use beets when they do red velvet cakes, and they don't want to use all that food coloring, because beets just have such a powerful color in itself. I think it's going to be perfect for our 3 servings. Okay, and this is our 5th juice. Our beet red juice. Alright, so don't forget to click on our previous juices if you are following the 3-day cleanse, and the last juice after this, which will be the cashew nut milk. Alright, well, see you in our next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.